In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can share your iPhone location with another device. You can simply share any Apple device location with another Apple device in just few simple steps. Sharing your device location helps you to track down your iPhone if it gets lost or stolen. To do this, simply open up your settings. On this page, tap right here. Then you will have to enable this option of family sharing on. On this page, just tap right here on this plus icon to add another device. Select this option of invite others. Then tap on invite in person. Right here you will have to enter other device Apple ID and password and they will get added successfully. Then press done and get back to the home page right here. On this page, select this option of family checklist. Tap on the second option of set up location sharing. Enable this option on and all added devices will be able to access your iPhone location. It can be any other device that uses your Apple ID. Devices you share your location with can also see the location of your devices in Find My. If your iPhone gets lost, you can use the other device you shared location with to help you locate your lost or stolen device. That's how easy it is to share your device location with other devices. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.